Welcome back to HP Garage. Today's video will be checking CF125. It's not running right.
It's CRF.
CRF125. Let's go ahead and take a look.
Yeah, so basically what's going on, guys, is the bike will start, but it doesn't really want to idle, and it also breaks up when you try to rev it up. So we're going to take it apart, take a look in the carburetor. Maybe it's dirty, maybe it's a spark issue. Don't know yet, so we're going to dive into it.
Noah, go ahead and tell them what's up.
Oh, so, I'm just kind of looking under here and, just trying to figure out where things are. Looks like we got our CDI here. Looks like this is your starter solenoid. I think what we want to do is, it's two things that's happening here. Either we got weak spark, and that's why it's just not able to rev up and it starts to break up, or something with the carburetor. I think it's going to be the carburetor because this thing has had issues before with not wanting to start when it's the choke's on, so it's not tuned properly. So I think we're gonna go ahead and take that carburetor off and take a closer look.
Josh, what do you got to say to these folks?
Guys, I'm a first-time rider, just taking all this knowledge in from Noah here. He's one of the greats.
No,
All right, unbolt the gas. Guys, be careful with this. Don't spill it. There it is.
Valve turned off. Oh wow, that's cool.
Yep, that's an engine, brother.
So here's your coil. If there was like a bad connection, like if this wasn't in there very well, then maybe that's why it could be breaking up, on the top end. That seems fine. I think it's gonna be the carburetor. So we got some more room here to work with now that we got the gas tank off. So we'll go ahead and pull the carburetor off and see how dirty she is. Drop the bowl and take a look at her.
Now, this was a side of the road find. We got extremely lucky. Someone dumped it. We picked it up, absolutely free. So we think that's what they had a problem with too. They dumped it. We got it. So same thing what Noah said. We're rolling.
All right, so we got the carburetor part here. We sprayed some carb cleaner through, checked the bowl, checked the floats, and everything's looking good. It's looking clean. So we're gonna throw it back together and get some new gas in it. This gas is probably a little old, so could very well So here's the deal. We probably should have just drained the gas first and tried that, but here we are. And we've never taken it apart this far, so you might as well, right? Check everything out. We'll do that, and then get some new gas in it and see what happens. Should be fixed. So yeah.
Well, I'll still cut it.
Noah's is a team captain of the group.
Right. Something like that. Hey, captain's only as good as the steam.
What you want to do is you want to drain the gas first. Get you next day. All right, gang. So Noah's messing around with stuff. He got it. I'll let Noah describe it. Come on.
Oh, all right. So yeah, we cleaned the carburetor out, guys, and it was clean. And we also put new gas in it because it's been sitting for what, like 6 months, Zach?
Yeah, on the side of the road. Yeah.
So we're checking fuel delivery. And I pulled the holes off right at the carburetor. No fuel is coming out. So,
damn, they clogging up. Whoa, what the?
So that's working.
That's usually how you test those. Okay, good.
So if you see right here, our fuel valve is on. There's no gas coming out.
We clogged it up.
But when we drained the gas, it was pouring out just fine. That's weird.
You gotta point the finger who's filling up the gas.
Oh.
There, she's leaking.
So on's actually off and off actually on.
They must do it different.
Must have mislabeled it.
Okay. Honda, yep.
Yeah, so it seems like you just need a new petcock.
What?
And this is in the middle right here. It's flowing.
Oh, where?
But when it goes to on, it doesn't work.
The heck?
So weird.
Guys, I'll let Noah explain here, but he fixed it, that son of a gun. He was messing around with the, what do you even call it?
Oh, hey, you want to give me the screwdriver, the flathead?
And I don't know, guys. We think it was just the cable for the throttle was a little loose. And he just ripped around, tore up his parents' garage. They won't be happy. He's gonna go ahead and rip here in the dark. So stay strapped, man. Kids, don't do this at home. We're on a closed course.
All right, so Zach, what do we got going on with the CRF125?
Okay, guys, so I'll give you a rundown even though Noah did all the work. We cleaned the carb out, switched out the old gas. It ended up being just a tension cable on the throttle. It was too loose. Knew I'd tighten her up real nice. Didn't turn it off, that's okay. So yeah, if anyone's looking to buy it, $3 grand, it's all yours. Go ahead and DM me. Catch you next time, folks.
So basically what Zach was trying to say is, no, but, I don't know, Josh, hit that start button, see if she fires up.
Sounds like American muscle. Oh, if this doesn't get you going, we don't know what will.
So Zach wanted to see what this thing sounded like without the baffle or whatever in it. So we're gonna take this sucker out real quick and fire it up. See what it sounds like. I mean, I've never taken one of these off on one of these bikes, so
We're trying to make it sound mean as possible here, gentlemen.
yeah. But you know, like, why not just see what it sounds like? And what's the better time than, you know what? I guess it's not that late.
You know, right now we're in Michigan, so it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, being pitch black, daylight savings and all. Son of a gun.
Yeah, so we're out here dropping bolts and making stuff loud. So we got this out.
Oh, that's what it looks like, gentlemen.
Yeah. So now essentially we should. Now Zach was worried about how long it was gonna take. I assured him it wouldn't take too long.
That was. Oh! Gentlemen, that sounds mean. Josh, thoughts?
I think we're keeping it off.
You were keeping it all, guys. Like I said, guys, it's it's noon around here. Daylight savings and all.
We're gonna make it EV here.
Boom.
Wow. Now that's gonna make it as quiet as an electric
That's
car.
carbon friendly.
Yep.
That's zero emissions.
Putting that in right there makes this dirt bike carbon neutral, actually.
Okay.
Yep. So we got the bike running right. Well, as best we can. It's it like kind of like just revs up on its own, or kind of like rev hangs a little bit. We don't know why. Maybe it's like an intake leak. I don't know. But dude, she runs, starts right up, you know. So it was probably a combination of bad gas and something else we got to figure out later. But you know, we're not gonna spend the weekend trying to figure it out. We're just here to have fun.
Well,
So,
that's all the time we got for today. We'll catch you next time on This Old House.